How to block ads on your Android phone. Do you want to block ads on your Android phone? In this video I will show you a secret tricks to block ads on your Android phone without using any apps. Advertising can be annoying in many cases. Some ads are created by deceptive pop-up pages, while others start playing video or audio clips automatically. Pop-up ads have nothing to do with the phone itself. They are caused by third-party apps installed on your phone. Ads are a way for app developers to make money, and the more ads that are displayed, the more money the developer makes. This is why some of them are so persistent. So anyway, let's get started. How to block easily any kind ads from your device, like display ad, pop-up ads, etc. One of the easiest ways to block ads on Android phones is by changing to an ad blocking service's private DNS provider. But keep in mind that steps might differ depending on your device and the Android version. Go to Settings. Now use search bar, simply search for private DNS. Now choose the option Private DNS Provider Hostname. And enter dns.adguard.com and click on Save. You won't see any ads in apps or browsers after following this method. So this is the easiest way to block ads on any Android phones. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then join us clicking on the subscribe button below.